Hello viewers, in this very video demo I'm going to show you how to add course activities and resources in Moodle LMS. And to do that you have to open the course you want to start adding content. Okay, for example, if you are in the home page, this is the course we added in the previous video. You click on it. You can see if you are not seeing this edit mode, you need to enable edit mode. Okay, that is the edit mode here must be enabled to be able to edit content. Okay, since our courses are organized in sections, I'm going to edit the heading of each section, and in my own case I've organized my own course to be in module. Let's say module 1, module 2, and so on. To edit each of these section title, you need to click on this pencil icon. I'm going to organize my content in modules. Let's say module 1, module 2, module 3, and so on. So I'm going to, this one is going, I've already have it in the clipboard. I'm going to say module 1, I select it from the clipboard. And now to save the changes, you need to press enter. Okay, our module 1 is introduction to teamwork and collaboration. Okay, so this is module 2, understanding teamwork. So that's how I organize it. Then module 3 is going to be, press enter. Module 3, communication and collaboration techniques. Module 4, press enter, conflict resolution in teams. And module 5 is going to be the conclusion. Okay, this is how I organize my course. And if you want to add more section, you can click add section. Another section, you can see, can edit it. To delete a section you don't want, just click on this icon. You can see delete, and the session will be deleted. Now let's start to add content. The first session here, okay, is just like the introduction session. I'm going to add activity, and I'm going to add the resource. So I'm going to select text and media. Here you can be able to add your content. You can also add image and so many. You can add images, you can add table. Since our major course is not to teach you how to use a text editor, our major focus in this course is to create a course with Moodle. Everything you know how to do with text editor, you can do it here. Okay, the one that is available, you can see it here. You can format your text the way you want it. Have the text content here. You can also add image if you like. Let me add image, select upload. Maybe I will use this theme for illustration. You can customize the image, change the height and width, make it 200 so that it will be a little small. You can also add a description for the image. I'm going to mark it as decorative text only. Click, align it to the center. When you are satisfied with your content, click save and return to course. You can see now we just added course overview. You can add more activity or resource here. Now if you want to preview the course, you click on edit mode once again. You can see how this content you added is going to be presented to the user. If you click overview, you can still see the content. Now let's go back to the course section. I'm going to enable the edit mode again. In next video, we are going to add more resources and activities. Stay tuned.